Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel, and as you all know, I'm Miracular, and in this video of Clash Royale, I'm gonna open all my claim reward, the pass royal chest, all the 35 which I did not open even a single thing, and these 3 chests including with the free chests which are given by the clan war, which are given due to clan war 2. And as you can see, this is clan war 2. This is my clan, Indian Royals. And yes, so I'm gonna request my card first of all. And done. Okay guys, so let's not waste any time. And now let's begin with the silver chest. So now I'm gonna open this. And this. Okay, I'm gonna do it fast guys so that the video ends quickly. It won't be boring for you too. And the first thing, 1000 coins for free. Good. Okay guys, before that let's check up. So now I'm having 58,000 and 195 diamonds. Let's count it after everything gets done. Okay, 2 gems, royal recruits, elixir golem, fireball, good, Tesla, good. All these cards are needed for me right now. Okay, got goblins, bear goblins, rascals, hunter, and battle hero. So hunter is needed for me right now. Okay, it's ice spirit guys, I don't like it, including goblin man. Okay, balloon is good thing, and even ice golem which they gave 13, which is good. And as you know that I did not buy the pass royal, that's why I'm getting all this golden chest. Otherwise, oh, it's furnace, it's good. Otherwise I was getting all this stuff. See this. Okay, let's open this. Okay, skeleton dragon, yes, royal giant, it is needed for me right now. Rage, and yes, flying machine. Now this thing. Oh, it's a legendary guys. Woohoo! Let's open it. Guess what's it? And it's miner. Oh yeah, my guess was right guys. I exactly guessed it. There is no faults in it. I really guessed it. And in my 6th test itself, I got a legendary which is so good. Guys, I'm suggesting you to do the same because it will be fun. And you get the excitement like in which chest I'm gonna get. Okay, it's 211 diamonds there. And as you can see that my skeleton dragon is just level 1. I'm gonna keep it as level 1 until I make all my cards maxed out, because something should be one right. So it's my 8th chest. Let's hope for some legendary. Oh, it's my favorite Kadibab. Skeleton barrel, giant skeleton, and goblin cage. That's not important for me right now because it's not in any of that. Okay, it's coins, diamonds. Okay, it's rare, it's common. Oh, another legendary guys. Woohoo! And they also gave me 11 rockets, which is a really good thing, and I'm so excited about this. Another legendary which is so cool, and I want it to become Mega Knight. Oh, it's princess there. No problem, legendary is equals to legendary and princess equals to legendary. Okay guys, so it was a 9th chest, and it is really exciting. It's going on exciting. And yes, it's battle healer. And okay guys, it's barbarian barrel, which is not important for me. Every time they give coins, next diamonds, next anything can be there. Now it's common, it's an epic. Oh, cannon card, it's not important for me. Elixir collector, not important. Okay, it's coins, it's gems, it's firecracker, which is good. Ice spirit, not good. It's rascals, really good. And elixir golem, okay, fine. Let's do this. So it was till our 12th chest. Now let's begin with the 13th one. It's the same order friends. Coins, diamonds, maybe common, yes common, maybe rare, okay common. Oh, knight, I want knight to become 12, which is good thing. Oh, another balloon, nice. And it's Bomber Tower, friends. Okay, this is my 14th chest. Coins, diamonds, hope for Mini P.E.K.K.A. Yes, I wanted Mini P.E.K.K.A. And it's Royal Logs, good. It's Ice Golem, good. It's Archers, good. Okay, guys, it's now 15th chest. It's coins, it's diamonds, it's spear goblins, it's goblin gang. Okay, Electro Dragon. 12 is good actually because it's rare, not common. Okay, friends, so got level. I mean, okay, I'm hoping for an epic. Okay, it was Elixir Golem. I don't know why, but I'm getting more Elixir Golem, friends. But I don't want it. Okay, it's Barbarians also, I'm getting more. It was Goblin Giant. And it's 13 Goblin Head, friends. I don't know why they're giving me so much Goblin guns. I mean, Goblins. So it's coins, diamonds. Firecracker really good, and oh no, I just need 4 cards for 10, making it 10. And if I upgrade this will become 11, friends. Oh, it's Bowler. I'm gonna upgrade him also as soon as I get enough coins. Zap is over there. Okay, it's the 20th one, as you can see. And until now I got 2 legendaries. One is in the 6th and one is in the 8th. Okay, friends, they gave us 13 flying machine, which is not so good. And yes, see this, guys, is so nice emote of Archer. A baby Archer actually. Oh, they gave me 4 jumps. I did not notice it. Okay, Spear Goblins. Executioner, yes, I need him, guys. And yes, it's Musketeer here. Okay, it's coins, diamonds. Let's go for a legendary in this. I don't know actually. Okay, it's Ice Golem. It's Royal Giant. Okay, there is no legendary. Let's go for an epic at least. Okay, it's an epic and it's Mirror. Good, guys. And this is minions. Just 2 of them. Just 4 of goblins. Okay, this is unfair, guys. Okay, just 57. Okay, there gave 12 goblin cage. That's not important for me. I don't like it actually. Okay, it's coins, it's diamonds, it's skeleton barrel, it's skeletons, archers, and yes, zombies. Good, guys. So we are opening our 25th chest actually. More 10 is left, and after that, which will be opening. Okay, we'll be opening the King's Legendary at the last. First, we are gonna open Lightning, then Giant, then Epic Chest, then the Legendary, and after that, it's gonna be King's Legendary, friends. So it's getting back to the 25th chest. Here it goes. Okay, it's Tornado. Usually when we open it fast, when the big thing comes, we think it's legendary, but that won't be. Okay, guys, as you saw that you thought it would be legendary, but it was not. Okay, it's coins, it's diamonds, Heal Spirit. Okay, getting it after long times. Lapis. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, it's our 28th chest. I'm hoping for another 2 legendaries. Okay, it's 61 zaps. Just 2 need for making it 11, guys. See this. And it's freeze there. And yes, it's Firecracker, and finally it got exactly 800 friends. Is good. It's Bomber up here. It's Barbarian Barrel and Elixir Collector, which I don't like, as I said you before. Okay, friends, so they gave me X-Bow, which is good thing. Okay, they gave Giant. Okay, I need Giant because when you give Rage for him, he becomes mad. Okay, got X-Bow again. Just 2 more chests to go for the legendary chest, friends. And yes, hope for so many legendary in the 34th or 35th. Oh, they gave me Prince, that is good. And yes, 1 more chest to go. Okay, And yes, 3 Goblin Heart, 41 Fire Spirits. Good. Okay, friends, this is the legendary chest, and for sure there is gonna be legendary in it, not any other card. So, what's your guess? Write it in the comment, guys, please. So, it's Magical Archer or maybe Magic Archer. Okay, I'm already having two of the cards of Magic Archer, and mine is already level 10. So that's it for the from the past royal, guys. So let's begin opening the free rewards which they're giving because of Clan Wars 2. So first of all, I'm going to open this legendary arena epic chest. So are you ready? Yes. Yes. So firstly I got which is already which I'm having already 50 cards. Okay, good. Lightning, I don't use it, guys. I don't like it. Okay, it's 7 bowler there, good thing. Let's hope for Balloon or maybe Pekka, which I'm really wanting now. Oh no, it's again Barbarian Barrel, friends. This sad thing about Barbarian Barrel, I don't use it actually. Because I'm having log in my deck. Or maybe Zap sometimes. So, now I'm going to open this Legendary Arena Lightning Chest. And if you don't know, in Lightning Chest you have 5 strikes. So I'm going to explain you this now. See, first of all, you get coins. You can't change anything from coins. And now, see guys, I got Bomber, 106 Bomber, 21 Ice Golem, and 2 Goblin Barrel. So now, if I don't want any of these cards, so I'm wanting Bomber, but I'm not wanting Ice Golem. So I'm just gonna tap on Ice Golem. So I got Inferno Tower now, which is a really good thing, and I need it. Now I have more 4 strikes left, and I don't want Goblin Barrel. I'm gonna strike it. I got Tornado, which is not that important. But now I'm gonna tap on Bomber because I'm expecting Royal Giant. Oh, it's Zap, and just good thing, guys, that my Zap is gonna become level 11. And I want all my cards in my deck to become level 11. Now, I'm having more 2 strikes and I'm gonna use it on Tornado for hoping for Pekka or Balloon. What? Why they're giving me Barbarian Barrel so much, friends? I don't like him. Okay, last strike, and I'm going for sure on Barbarian Barrel. Oh, it's Balloon, guys. Be happy. I got Balloon and all. Okay, now even that is done. And I forgot to say you that they are giving us free trade tokens. Now I got one from the epic chest, epic token, and one rare token from the lightning chest. Now let's open the giant chest now. Yeah, let's open it. Okay, you don't get any strikes in giant chest. You just have to use what you get. Okay, it's firecracker, good thing. Mortar, really? No, I don't like mortar. I never used it actually. Okay, it's barbarian barrel there. Okay, it's not really useful for me. Okay, it's musketeer there and it's useful to me. Okay, friends. So this was our giant chest, and oh, I think we get commentary token from the lightning chest. Sorry, friends, I did not see it. And we get a rare token, free rare token from the giant chest. And yes, here we go. It's a legendary again. So yes, free. So what are you guys hoping for it? But I am hoping for Mega Knight, friends. Oh no, it's Magical Archer again. I don't want Magical Archer to become level 11. So I'm just gonna trade him. Okay, now I'm getting my legendary token. And yes, so I'm having 4 legendary tokens, 5 epic, which is really good, which I'm gonna use for Pekka. 2 rare and 1 common, friends. So yes, here we are. We are gonna open the Legendary Arena Legendary King's chest for free. Okay, let's go. The music is so nice, friends. Oh, and I got 4,300 coins, which is really nice. And let's calculate the coin at the last, friends. So yes, in Legendary King's chest, you get everything of 2. Like at first you get 2 common, then 2 rare, then 2 epic, then 2 legendary. In these 2 twos, you gotta choose one, which is really nice. And here I am wanting royal delivery more than royal recruits. Okay, friends. It's bomber and fire spirits. As my fire spirits is already 11, if I upgrade, I'm gonna choose bomber. Okay, it's common again, and I'm gonna choose rascals. Okay, I'm having 1227 cards of rascals, friends, which is really good. I can make it up to level 10, I guess now. And it's rare, as I said, and yes, I'm wanting bomber tower. I don't like both of them, but still. Oh, it's the thing now. I gotta choose very wisely. It Mini P.E.K.K.A or Valkyrie? Valkyrie is really good card in defense and even attack. It can take down Mega Knight, not actually take down, counter it. So I'm gonna choose. Okay, friends, let's go with Valkyrie. Okay, Mini P.E.K.K.A none. Oh, it's Golem and Wall Breakers. I don't want Golem actually. I'm gonna make my Wall Breakers to the. I want my Wall Breakers to become level 12. So let's go with it, guys. So what's my strategy is that which are the cards which are already leveled up. I'm gonna increase the same cards to the higher level so that it will be useful when I want to rank push or maybe trophies push. So yes, I'm gonna choose Wall Breakers. I'm having 76 of it and it is really good. And yes, here we are. The legendary is the next. So I'm hoping for Mega Knight. I want Mega Knight and Electro Wizard. I'm gonna choose. I don't know what I'm gonna choose. So let's hope. Okay. Okay, it's Ram Rider and Night Witch. As you can see, I'm having 3 of Night Witch. Actually 2 cards of Night Witch extra. And yes, I'm gonna choose Ram Rider, friends, cause it's still level 9. And yes, here we go. So I'm having 1,17,198 coins, which is really huge. And coming to my gems, I'm having 279 gems. And from these gems, I'm gonna buy some emote, but not any of these. So friends, it's up to you which emote you want me to buy. So please comment. Please say the emote which I should buy in the comment, please, so that I buy the emote which you want. And as you know already, I'm having an emote of barbarian which I can't buy 2 times. So yes, it's up to you whichever emote you want me to buy. I'm gonna buy the same emote, friends. And yes, that's it for today, friends. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Until then, stay tuned.